Here's a quick way to prepare a beeswax buff for finishing wooden kitchen implements like scoops, chopping boards or bowls. Firstly, my beeswax comes in the mail these days. And then I mix it with a vegetable oil at about a ratio of twice as much oil to wax. You can weigh it out if that helps. It's important to use vegetable oil rather than olive oil, as I find that olive oil doesn't dry out and harden on the surface like vegetable oil does. This elm bowl was used to hold olives some time ago, and you can see that though the oil has seeped through the pores of the wood, it's still soft and tacky on the surface. Once the two ingredients are mixed, they need to be heated together in a double boiler. I have an old electric fry pan that I use for this, but you could use just a pot of water on the stove. The water in the fry pan is brought to the boil, and you will see the wax melt quickly as the oil mixture heats up. As soon as it's all melted, I give it a quick stir and let it cool. And that's it. It will harden into a butter-like substance that's soft enough to apply with a rag to your wooden implements. I have a video that shows this finish being used to restore some bowls. You'll find it on this channel.